The RV fridge requires a precise amount of heat. Thus, if there is not enough heat, the bubble pump will not work and the fridge will fail. If too much heat, the fridge fails also. Thus, a precise amount of heat is required for proper fridge operation. We know that overheating results in the failure of the fridge, but why is it that not enough heat will result in poor cooling and then failure? It is best to demonstrate this with a pan of water. Notice that as the temperature rises in the pan, just before a rolling boil, small bubbles appear on the bottom of the pan. Although the fridge boiler is more complicated than just a pan of water, the concept is the same because the RV fridge is driven by a bubble pump. Not enough heat makes small bubbles as seen in the pan. The small bubbles will not create the pumping needed to run the fridge. As a result, the boiler overheats. The boiler requires a rolling boil to power the pump. If the pump stops, the flow of refrigerant stops also. The fridge to fin measures the flow of the fluids to ensure that the pump is working properly. Therefore, the fridge to fin is the best instrument for not only protecting the fridge, but also diagnosing heat problems with the fridge. We will get on to diagnosis of heat problems in the next videos.